Hello everyone. Today I am making pesarattu dosa and tomato red capsicum chutney. Let us start with tomato and red capsicum chutney first. Adding red capsicum to the tomato chutney gives red color and adds more taste to it. Take one large onion, chop it to small pieces. 1½ large tomatoes, chop it into small pieces. 1 medium size capsicum, chop into small pieces. 2 dry red chilies. 7 to 8 pods of garlic peeled. Few curry leaves. A little tamarind. Now heat a pan, add 5 teaspoons of sesame oil. When oil gets heated, add chopped onion and fry a little. When onions get fried, add curry leaves, dry red chilies, peeled garlic and fry to golden color. When onion turn golden, add tomatoes, tamarind and add half teaspoon salt. Fry well till the tomatoes get half cooked. Now add the chopped red capsicum pieces and fry well till the tomatoes turn mushy, but the capsicum should remain crunchy. If it overcooks, then the taste doesn't gets good. Now let it cool and grind it in a mixer jar to a fine paste. Now let us give a good tempering to the tomato red capsicum chutney. Now heat 2 teaspoons of oil, add mustard seed, urad dal, gram dal. When the mustard starts crackling, add the curry leaves and pour the red capsicum chutney batter into the pan and keep stirring for 1 minute and remove from the fire and transfer to a serving bowl. Now the tomato capsicum chutney is ready. This goes well with idli, dosa and pesarattu, that is green gram dal dosa. Now for pesarattu, take half cup of whole green gram dal, half cup of de-skinned and broken green gram dal, half cup of idli rice. Soak all these three overnight for at least 8 hours. Quarter cup of chopped onions, salt to taste, few curry leaves, half teaspoon of fennel seeds, half inch ginger and 1 green chilies. Now transfer all these ingredients to a mixer jar and grind it to a soft batter by adding half cup of water in short intervals. Now the batter is ready. It should be soft. Now transfer to a bowl and check the batter to a thick pouring consistency. The batter should not be very thick or very thin. It should be in pouring consistency as I show here. Now heat a dosa ladle and pour a little batter and spread it to form a very thin dosa. This you get by practice. Now spread a little gunpowder on the dosa. This gunpowder video I'll put shortly in my next coming videos. Add 2 teaspoon or 3 teaspoon of oil because this dosa needs little more oil so that it tastes very good. Now sprinkle some chopped onions on the dosa and a handful of carrot grated and a few coriander leaves. Now add 1 more teaspoon of oil and cook in low medium flame so that the dosa cooks well evenly and turns red in color and crispy. Now remove the dosa from the ladle and your green gram dosa is done. Now it has come out very crispy. This goes very well with the capsicum chutney. It tastes very good. Please try my recipe and let me know in the comments.